Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find list of message alerts and change message notification sound on phone Xiaomi 17 Ultra. First of all, go to the settings. Now sound and vibration, notifications, pre-installed ringtones, notifications, and now let's come with all possible options. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press like button below the video. Goodbye.